Welcome back. In the previous task, you added more pages to your app in Figma. In this last task, you will develop a plan for how you can collaborate with your team, share the design, and learn about access to grant in Figma. Do you remember way back in task 1 we looked at the toolbar on the Figma screen? There's a speech bubble on the top of the toolbar. If I were working on this project with a team, I would feel like I had made a pretty good start to the frame, but before going further, I might want to check in with the team. Do you remember that other team members can be working on this project the same time as you are? You can work and chat in real time. One way to do this is to use the speech bubble to place a comment. Click on the speech bubble, then click anywhere on your project to leave a comment. I may want input on the calendar page. I am not sure the admin of the app will be able to update the calendar page once a month. I want to know if this is realistic, so I am leaving a comment. When anyone opens this project, they will see the comment and they can reply to what was asked. Your team can use this to point out any other issues, or if they have suggestions on changes but want to talk about the changes first. Before you share this project, you can see what it will look like by clicking on the arrow pointed to the right in the upper right part of the screen. Another tab will open and you can see what your screen will look like. You can make adjustments to sizing and placement based on what you see. The other option you have is to share this design. When you first started, you could have added people to your team to ensure they could collaborate on the project, as this was a practice project. I did not add anyone when I started it. To add someone, click on the Share button on the top right. Again, maybe I am at a point in the project where I want some insight. I can email to send an invitation to people who I want to collaborate with. Notice next to the email box, there's a specific statement of what access I want that person to have. I can allow the person to edit or change what I have created, or I can allow the person to only view the project. The people that I have on my team are most likely able to edit, but maybe I do not want others that I invite to be able to make any changes. This is a great option. I can invite unlimited viewers to this project, such as my supervisor, tech people, or even marketing to get their input. With viewing access, they can leave comments, but they cannot make any changes. You have a few more options here with Share. You can only allow those people invited to the file to have access, or you can allow anyone with a link to have access. You can also copy the link and get an embedded code. These are all great options for you to have depending on your next steps for the project. In this task, you thought about how to develop a plan for how to collaborate with your team, share the design with various people, and learned about the levels of access to grant in Figma. Wow, do you believe it? You made a wireframe for an app in a matter of no time using a new tool. I hope you enjoyed exploring Figma with me and that we can work on more projects in the future. Start thinking about what your next wireframe in Figma will be. Congratulations, you did it. You completed this project. Do not forget to finish the course by returning to the course page to complete the quiz.